igwe ogige ka na mugwu eze maka asị n'eziokwu na-adị nụ mana igwe ihe ekwu eziokwu na onye eziokwu ka ego igwe ekene m gị mbụbụ ike mbụba
Igbo mma mmanụ Igbo ekenekwe m unu Igbo rienu Igbo mụọ ọnụ Igbo zụọ ọnụ Igbo gbatawakwanụ Igbo hụ na onwe unu n'anya Igbo natawanụ maka na oge akara aka erugo dịka ajụjụ gụwawa Amadi jụrụ m. Like I always say, because of the people that is not hearing my dialect, we are not tribalistic here. We are one blood, one brother, and we are hearing our language. You ask me how do I intend to actualize the unity of the Igbos. Number one, I started it even before today came. I was in a vision. I traveled to Bayelsa on a certain day. And when I came into Bayelsa State, I saw that everywhere is shut down. I said, what is happening? They say today is Igbo Day in Bayelsa State. Oh boy, everywhere in Bayelsa is shut down. Including the governor was there live. Just bring your culture, Anambra, Imo, everywhere, Eboy, any part of Enugu, any part of the Igbo land you came from. Today, there will be no market. Just come and come with your Ishago attire. And also come with your culture. Hey, when I saw that thing that day, it was amazing. It's as if that something entered inside of me. I said, this thing is not needed only in Bayelsa State. It is needed generally all around the world where the Igbos are gathered. Most especially, I have never seen it in Rivers State, where I am doing my business. So, on
Igbo garden, Igbo bike, ekene m igwe bụ igwe.
And what I wanted to actualize in Okija, we will do something that Okija will shut down. It will be an Igbo Day in Okija. But people don't seem to understand the reason why I was doing what I was doing. You know, in Okija these days, as mighty as electric car in Okija, if they want to do end of year party, they will go and share malt and bombs where prominent Igbo men are controlling the market. There is a taboo. If Electrica wants to have their end of the year party, Electrica has to be shut down in total. And because Igbos are the ones championing the Electrica, we will call it generally Igbo Day. We will have a day in Port Harcourt during the Iriji process. We will have a day that we will call Iriji Igbo in Niger Delta. And all the whole prominent chief in Niger Delta can be invited because we have men that know them. When I was privileged to receive this my title, Umeju, who happens to be Ezio Onoko Hawan of Idioba in Omoko, he was there live. He was there present. So, but on the process of Ezinadi coming together, Ndi Igbo, where I happen to be a member in Rumigbo, is also coming up. And I am one of the bona fide members of that Ndi Igbo. Even then, did not know the reason why I was championing to be a member in that thing because I know my mission. Now, today, Ndi Igbo has come to stay in this River State via Rumigbo branch. And if God did not come tomorrow, watch out by next year. You will see Ndi Igbo in general. Because men are coming from different areas. I think you saw the vision I saw. Meanwhile, because of Ndi Igbo has come on board, I say this people have taken over this thing. That is why I came and say, isn't that the Ufobi? And since then, I keep on running partnership with Ndi Igbo and isn't that the Ufobi. I keep on running partnership. Some of you are my witness. That the last EDG of Ndi Igbo, I say, come, let us go so that I will introduce you to these people. Because I want something that they will call merger. So that one of us will come in partnership and say, okay, this is Ezinadi. But when you shout Ndi Igbo, you go hear Ufobi. When you shout Ezinadi, you go hear Ufobi. Is it say Igbos are one? I believe I have answered your question.
Can you